Hello and welcome back to Profitable Peter Studio, the place where we equip you with the right tools, mindset, and strategies to profit from your passion, especially in the online world. Today I want to have a heart-to-heart conversation with aspiring content creators, whether you are eyeing YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or anywhere else. If you are ready to start your journey but don't know where to begin, or if you have started but you feel stuck, this video is for you. This won't be filled with confusing jargon or unrealistic goals, just simple practical steps based on real life experience and observation. So stay with me. This could be a Kickstarter you have been waiting for. To become a successful or profitable content creator, you need to ask yourself why you want to be a content creator. This might sound simple, but it's the foundation of everything. Your why will drive your content, keep you going through tough times, and help you stay focused when things don't grow as fast as you hoped. Are you doing this because you love teaching, storytelling, inspiring others, or building a personal brand? Are you passionate about fashion, parenting, tech, ministry, and so on and so forth? The clearer your why, the more authentic and effective your content will be. Now, the second step to becoming a successful content creator is to define your niche. You need to define your niche. What kind of content will you be creating? You see, you can't serve the whole world at the same time, and that's okay. Even major celebrities have audience that don't follow them. So, what's your angle? Maybe you're a mom who wants to talk about parenting. Maybe you love organizing or budgeting. Maybe you are a Christian who wants to share faith-based inspiration. Now, whatever it is, you need it down and be more specific. For example, I'm a Christian mom who shares daily routines and Bible-based parenting wisdom. That's specific and that's memorable. Now, the third point to becoming a profitable or successful content creator is that you should pick one or two platforms only for a start. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to be on every social media platform at once. Just start with one or two platforms like YouTube and Facebook, or YouTube and Instagram, or YouTube and TikTok. Now, this allows you to grow without burnout. You'll be able to create better content, engage better with your audience or your community, and stay consistent without stretching yourself. Now, the next point to becoming a successful content creator is to start fresh if needed. If you already have a YouTube or Instagram account that hasn't been active in years or has low engagement, consider starting afresh. Why should you consider starting afresh? You should consider starting afresh because the algorithm tends to favor new focused accounts. You will have a better chance of reaching people organically without being stuck in the shadow of an old, inconsistent content trail. Forget trying to get your friends or family to support your channel. Most of your supporters will come from people who have never met you but find value in your content. Alright, so let your work speak for itself. Now, the fifth point is to follow and learn from other creators. Follow and learn from other creators in your niche and out of your niche. Now, you need to choose at least 10 content creators who are already doing what you aspire to do. You can study them and you can ask yourself several questions. What do I love about their content? What kind of videos do they post, and how do they present themselves, and other relevant or pertinent questions you think that can help you to reposition your channel. Don't just copy, but let them inspire your presentation, your style, and your strategy. Your creativity will be shaped by your exposure. And remember, your version of a great idea will always look different and original. Alright, so you can learn from those that are in the same niche with you, or you can learn from your competitors. You can copy one or two things from them, be creative with what you copy, and then use it in your channel. You must also, the next step to becoming a successful or profitable content creator is to find your voice, not just rush into the trends. It's tempting to jump on every trending video, every trending sound or hashtag, but chasing trends will only confuse your audience if your brand is unclear. What's your voice? Are you funny? Are you calm? Are you analytical or spiritual or motivational? You are building a community, not just a following. People stay with creators they can relate to, so let your real voice shine. Be yourself. Let your values guide your style. The next step to becoming a successful content creator is to be consistent. Alright, you show up consistently or you upload your videos consistently. Now, this part is very, very key. You need to show up regularly. You don't need to post every single day, but pick a realistic schedule you can stick to. Maybe it's twice a week, or maybe it's every month, or maybe it's every Monday or Thursday, or you could decide to be posting once every week. Just make your uploads to be consistent so that the audience will be looking forward to your subsequent videos. The next step to becoming a successful content creator is to batch your content. Batch your content. This right here is a lifesaver. Don't try to create content every day. Instead, set aside one day, maybe Saturday, to shoot 3 to 5 pieces of content in one session. You will save time, reduce stress, and always have something ready to post. It also gives you room to plan, edit, and be creative without rushing. But if you have the time to be creating your content every day, do so. But if you don't have the time, just look for a day to create your content and then ensure you post your content consistently. There's this school of thought that says that if you are posting consistently, you will not be noticed or you will not get much views, but rather you should focus on creating quality content rather than posting consistently. But I am of the view of, if you are posting consistently, say once a week, ensure that you post quality videos. Ensure your content are of high quality so that it can resonate with your audience. Now, the next step to becoming a profitable content creator is to practice and don't overthink. Practice every day. Even the most successful YouTube creators still practice new ideas that they have learned. You will only get better by practicing your new ideas. Stop waiting for perfection. It doesn't exist. Don't overanalyze your books, your camera quality, or your delivery. Just start, post that video, improve with each upload. If you learn one new thing every week, you're already growing. The last but not the least step to becoming a successful or profitable content creator is to just do it. At the end of the day, this is the most important step. Just start creating your content. Use your phone, sit by the window, talk to your camera like you're talking to your best friend. Keep it real, keep it simple, and keep going. If you want to have a faceless YouTube channel, you can do the same. Just start creating what you think will resonate with your audience. Don't wait until you have all the perfect equipment or setup. Don't wait until you feel ready. The best way to learn is to start. Now, my final words and encouragement to you is that I know the journey can feel overwhelming, but trust me, if you take these 10 steps and apply them one at a time, you are already ahead of most people who only talk about becoming content creators but do nothing about it. If this video really helped you, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to create more videos about content creation, growth tips, monetization, and brand deals. And before you go, may God bless you, your home, your relationships, and your content creation journey. Keep believing, keep creating, and always remain authentic.